Okay, children, you just told that, okay, set A factors of 6 means 1, 2, 3, 6, because they can divide 6 exactly. And similarly, factors of A, that is 6, then factors of 8, 1, 2, 4, 8, and factors of 9, 1, 3, and 9.
3 and 9.
Good, 1, 3, and 9. After that, what have you to look here?
Hajur.
Look there once. Sahaj. Hello, Sahaj. What is asked in A number to do there? What is asked to do in A number?
So the
So the
relating
relation
of
of
U,
U, A,
comma
B, C in the Venn
C.
diagram.
Yes. First of all, you have to show the relation of U, A, and B in Venn diagram. And this is the question. That's why first of all, okay, we have to show the relation in Venn diagram. And I told you how to show in previous class also. We have to start showing the relation of, okay, all this set in Venn diagram. Starting from what? Starting from
Common element.
common elements of all the sets. Okay,
Yes.
children. Okay.
Okay.
We have to start from this one part. This common elements of all. What is the common of all?
One.
1. Then we have to start from common of A and B only. That is 2. Then we have to start common
Two.
of B and C. There is no common. That's why there is nothing. And what is common of A and C? 3. After this, I told you write the remaining elements in set A here. What is the remaining element of set A there? 6. Remaining element of set B there is 4 and 8. And
4 and 8.
remaining element of set C, what is there? 9.
9.
And what are the remaining elements from universal set? 5,
5, 7
5,
and 10.
10.
5, 7, and 9. We have to show outside the set, okay? Outside this A, B, and C set.
9.
Are you clear, children?
Yes, sir.
This is the relationship
Yes,
of
sir.
what? U, A, B, A, C in Venn diagram, okay?
Okay, sir.
This is the first question. After that, what you have to do?
Union C complement.
Yeah, we have to find out. Second number, look
A
there. I am showing
union
there.
C complement.
A union B union C complement, right? It means
Yes, sir.
U minus A union B union C. Then this universal set, okay, minus A union B union C means what? All together, this all elements of A, B, C should be combined together. And then you will get 1,
2,
2, 3,
3,
4, 6, 8, 9.
9.
Then tell, when you subtract them, what will be the answer? 5,
5, 7
7,
and
and
10.
10. These are the elements of A union B union C complement. You understood, children? Question number 6, I?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very
Yes.
good. Similarly, you have to do 6, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, children?
Yes, sir. As homework.
Look here. Look, you can prepare the note copy and put there, okay? And I will send the homework there and send me the, okay, it's reply one also, solution one, okay?
So in note copy, you have to do all the exercises
Yes,
or
yes, I am telling. In note copy, you have to do all the exercises. Okay, children? And when the schools, daily, classes will run, then you have to show me that copy. Okay, children?
the
In
note
cop
copy is that same
in note copy, you have to do all the exercises. Okay? In homework one, I will show you there some of the questions only. I will give you there some of the questions only. You understood this, children? How to find A union B union C complement?
copy for note copy.
Yeah, note copy is that one, fair copy one. Okay?
So I have done all the exercises in homework copy.
Okay, that's okay. That is the homework copy also, you can tell. That is your note copy also, no problem. That is same one. Okay? Hello, children. Eugene, have you understood this 6 number I?
Yes, sir.
Look, I am going to show you the next one. Here the class work. First of all, you will show the relation of A, B, C in Venn diagram, okay? Right? Can you draw this Venn diagram A, B, C? Then how you will find out A intersection B intersection C complement? First you will find out A intersection B intersection C, common of all. Then only you will find out this complement. Okay, children?
Okay, sir.
Can you find out it? Then look, I am going to explain this one. 631. First you will find out A complement separately. A complement means U minus A. First we'll find B, then find second B complement. U minus B separately find. Then C complement find separately. C complement means U minus C. Okay. After finding them separately, A complement, B complement, C complement, then find out their intersection. Understood, Nevisa?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell what will you do, Nevisa? 6 number 3.
Yes, sir.
What will you do first in 6 number A?
So first of all, we have to find A complement. Then after
Then
B complement,
yes,
C complement.
yes.
Then after we have to find common elements in three of them.
Good, very good, excellent. First of all, you have to find A complement, then find B complement, then you can find out A complement intersection B complement intersection C complement. Understood, children? Now I am going to ask to Eugene. Eugene, what will you do in question number 4? These, look here, set A prime numbers from 5 to 15. Means from 5 to 15, which are the prime numbers we have to select. They should be selected from universal set. Here in universal set, this dot 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 means what there? There is 9 also, 10 also, 11 also, 12 also, 13 also, 14 also, okay? And 15 also. From this universal set, we have to select prime numbers from 5 to 15. Okay? Then another one, odd numbers from 5 to 15. From 5 to 15, odd numbers select. Then only you have to show them in Venn diagram. Then after showing in Venn diagram, we have to show this proof. Proof means what? This left hand side shows separate one, okay? A union B complement. Find out A union B complement. Left hand side, then right hand side, what will be there? A complement intersection B complement. Find A complement separately, then B complement also separately. Then find out A complement intersection B complement. Then left hand side answer and right hand side answer will be equal. Okay, children? Left hand side and right hand side answer will be equal. Right? Look here. And 5 numbers I am going to explain. First of all, you will find out A intersection B intersection C complement. Okay? A intersection B intersection C complement you will find out. And after that, you will find out A intersection B intersection C complement. First find A intersection B intersection C, then find out its complement. Okay, then it should be solved by using the Venn diagram. Look here, I have shown here some of the example. This is one example. Okay, and but before that I want to tell you, okay, this VI number. Universal set is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Set A is there. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And set B is 1, 3, 5, 6. Set C is 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then it is asking to show the relationship of U, A and B, U, A, B and C in Venn diagram. After that you have to find out A intersection B intersection C complement. I hope you can do easily. And here I have shown this one 4 number. Look here. 4 number I have shown here. First of all in Venn diagram, look. This is in Venn diagram. This A, all elements of A lies in B. That's why A should be drawn inside B. Set A should be drawn inside B because all the elements of A lies in B. That means A is subset of B. That's why A should be drawn inside B. Okay, this is the relation of U, A and B. Okay, children, of 4 number, right? Okay, after this we have to find out, as I told you this one, first of all find out A left hand side, A union B complement. A union B complement means U minus A union B. Okay, then find out its answer will come 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Then find out RHS. RHS, what is there? A complement intersection B complement. A complement means U minus A. Union B complement means U minus B. Then find out their intersection. Its answer also comes 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Both left hand side and right hand side answer came same. That means our questions, asked, okay, property is proved. This is proved. Okay, children, Eugene. Okay, today this much only. Thank you very much.